Wagwan. You are welcome back to my channel. I am KIDAAX, aka Super Structural Boy, also known as Omolomo. And in this video, I will be showing you how to get authenticated on Audiomack. So I'll guide you step by step on how to apply for the Audiomack authentication. Click on the subscribe button as we dive into the video. So now you have to log into your Audiomack account on your browser and switch it to the Audiomack creator. And now if you are authenticated, it will bring up this "are you a creator" stuff. Apply now. If you qualify for authentication. So before I get into the video, I will list out the criterias for you to become authenticated. So number one, you have to have high quality profile picture or your profile. Then number two, original content. I mean, you have to have your songs. It can be a song, it might be a freestyle, but it has to be original. At least 2 of them on your profile. The third one is minimum of 25 followers. If you have 25 followers and above, then you are qualified for authentication. Then the fourth thing is content ownership. You have to own the rights to the content you have uploaded on your Audiomack account. I mean, legal ownership. So when you get 4 of this, trust me, you are qualified for the authentication application. So let's get straight into the process. So the first thing you have to do is to click on apply now. So it will bring you up to this page and you have to click on apply for authentication. You can also scroll down to click on that. Then over here it will bring up a creator authentication agreement. So creator must agree to following terms to be considered for our creator authentication. Violation of any of these will result in removal of authentication status. So if you violate any of the agreements here, you will be removed as you'll be denied application as an authenticator. So I'm a creator, you mark that. I own right to distribute and upload all the contents that currently exist on my profile. I will not upload content that I do not own rights to. You can see, there are lean emphasis on rights. So don't upload any content. If you have one, you have to remove it. That is not yours, that you don't own legally. You have to remove it from your accounts just before you can apply for the authentication. Then you click on I accept. So here you verify your email, confirm the email address associated with the account. That was my email. And next step, so over here I have to complete your profile. So I have to complete my profile. My banner is updated, my profile picture, my name, my handle, and websites, hometown, everything, and my genre. So next step, so audio review and confirm. I have to review the information. If it's correct, I scroll down to confirm my complete authentication. So I have to review the spelling of my name is correct, and independence, short biography. Yep, that's all. Then I confirm and finish. So your application is pending. So while your application is pending, what next? The approval takes 5 to 7 days. So within 5 to 7 days, you get your mail if you are approved or not. So if you are approved, your profile will display a gray check badge close next to your name. And if you are denied, if your application is denied, then you can review the requirements, make necessary updates, and then you can reapply. So that's it on how to apply for authentication. Simple as that. Make sure you watch the video step by step. If there's any part you are missing, make sure you pause the video or you go back to watch the video over and over again till you are getting it. So if you find this video very helpful, let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like and share. This is going to help the community and make the video reach more people also looking for something like this. Let's help each other grow, that kind of vibe. So thanks for watching and peace out. I am out. You are welcome.